Okay, wait, what?
My face can...
Hey guys, it's Hailey here, and you guessed it, we're back at it. We're doing another unboxing video because you guys are really liking these, and I love filming them. But this video I'm most excited to ever film. I think it's my favorite, most excited I've been to film a PR/online store, like just basically an unboxing haul, because the brands we have in here are crazy. Like this box from CoverGirl I can fit into, and then we've got some Too Faced, we got a ton of Urban Decay packages, and just like everything I'm super excited for. And you guys always know I always have giveaways in these videos, so since there's so many things, definitely expect one. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. If you're not already, obviously subscribe, because we do these every once in a while, and if you want to get your hands on some goodies, stay tuned. Okay, the first package we have here is from Princess Polly, but I didn't order them directly off of that. I ordered them off of this app called Dope, and this video is not sponsored. I just really like them. I've worked with them before. Not even worked with them, I've literally just hung out with that brand. It's like a shopping app, so there's like a ton of stores, and you add things to your cart, so it's one cart, but you can add things from multiple stores and then check out all at once. Pretty dope. And I always have giveaways on that app because there's like the people that work there are just amazing, and they're always like, hey, you want to do a giveaway? And I'm like, sure. So the first thing I got was this black bathing suit. So it just looks like this, and then it's a low back. I just wanted to have one of these for around the spring summertime. And then the second thing I got was this dress. It kind of looks big, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just this like red floral flowy dress. I think having dresses during the summer is literally the go-to, just because it's so hot. Like everywhere I travel to, even here in LA, it just gets so hot, and like you look cute without trying, and also like not having a lot of like material like touching your skin. And those were the two things I got from Princess Polly. The next thing we have here is from Urban Decay, and it says, you're gonna look hot. Ooh, yes, I really wanted this. So this is the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. Let's take a look. So it's just like a mini eyeshadow palette. Ooh, oh, they're matte, yes. That's what the colors look like. They're very like warm toned. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot just because I prefer matte eyeshadow a lot better to like shimmery. So thank you for this, Urban Decay. I wanted to open these two packages together because they're from the same company. So they're called Frankie Phoenix, but they also have a jewelry line called Lola Chronicle, and they were like, hey, we want to send you some goodies, and they're also hosting a giveaway, so you can win 2 $100 gift cards. The details for that will be in the description box, but basically I think you just have to follow me and them on Instagram, and then you're entered to win 2 $100 gift cards. So these are from Frankie Phoenix, which is their clothing line. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, we're about to die. So first thing is this really soft and flowy black tank. I love things like this for spring because, like I said, it's really light, so you're not gonna be sweating. So these are just these like really flowy pants. They're striped, they're wide leg. Oh my god, these are gonna look so cute with like a bralette. This is really cute, thank you. And then we have this mini checkered yellow sundress, and then the back has like a triangle cut out. I think that's adorable. They sent me some lace bralettes. So this one is in this gray color. Bralettes are also really handy because I literally hate wearing bras. Like I'm wearing a sports bra right now. I think bras are so uncomfortable, and bralettes just kind of like do the job. And they also look really cute under clothes. So this one's a pink one, and then we have a maroon colored one. They're really soft. Like it's not the type of lace that would make your skin itchy. Oh my god, and there's more! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm on cloud 9 right now. So this one is this white colored one, and then a handy dandy black one, and then finally a baby pink one. So cute, thank you. If you use the code Hailey20, you can get 20% off Frankie Phoenix, and I'll again have all that information and all the links down below. So like I said, the jewelry brand is called Luna Chronicles, and first thing they sent me was this gold chain. It's just this really simple gold chain. Oh my god. These ones have like these stars and moons on it. And then this one's really cute. Again, it's like a gold chain. It has a cross and Mary on it. And then finally they sent me this ring. It just looks like this. I think I'm gonna put it on. Yes! I am such a ring person. So you can get 15% off all the jewels if you use the code Hailey15. Thank you to Frankie Phoenix and everyone on the team for sending me all these goodies. They're so adorable. You're gonna see all these in my Instagram posts in the next week, I promise. So this one is from a brand called Heaven, and I can smell something, so I'm guessing it's either perfume or skincare or something. So they sent me some skincare products and they all look really interesting. Can we talk about this? Like, is this not some insane packaging? It's Silver Bee Venom Mask. It's by Deborah Mitchell. I'm so excited to try these. Thank you. This is really weird. It's from China and I don't know what it is. So Monarch Tokyo, which is like a sunglass company that always sends me a bunch of really cute sunglasses, sent me some more. So they just look like this. I think they're so dope. Like, how freaking cool. Bella Hadid who, like, they're so cute. And then they sent it to me in red. That's also really cute. And then my favorite one, which is obviously black, because I think this is such a vibe. It's so cute. Perfect for spring, summer. Like, your girl is traveling. She needs a bunch of options, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, I think I have a coupon code at Monarch Tokyo. It's Hailey30 for 30% off. I don't get anything out of it, but you guys get cute sunnies for cheap, so you're welcome. They're really cute. I love their sunglasses. There's like a bunch of styles that you always see on Instagram and you're probably like, where do I get these? Monarch Tokyo. This is from Frank Body and I think I know what it is because I use their coffee scrub. So hopefully this is like either more coffee scrub or something along those lines. Hey babe, I have a new product for you to play with. Cherry Bomb Lip Scrub. Please tell me more. First of all, packaging, adorable. Scrubs, anything that exfoliates, I'm in. This looks so cute. Oh. Yes. Oh my god. It smells just like cherries. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. What else we got? It says it's from someone named Emily, but it doesn't have a brand name. Oh my god, my favorite. Thank you guys. I love you. It's from Erborian. Erborian is a skincare company and I love their products. I use them in my makeup tutorials all the time because they're really glowy. So they just sent me 2 of their CC creams. When you put it on, it's white, right? But when you blend it in, it picks up the natural skin color of your skin and then like blends into your skin. How cool is that? So you're literally getting like the perfect coverage in your perfect shade. So I'll link them down below. You guys, you don't have to. Ooh, yes. A Too Faced package. Too Faced is the best brand to ever receive PR packages from just because they're like, their marketing team I feel like is so creative and like their designs and just like everything about their PR packages are amazing. Okay, so it was a box within a box and I'm guessing it's from their Clover collection. Clover is the dog of the CEO and I met Clover. The cutest dog ever. Like literally the best. This is just adorable. It's fun to be a girl. Hell yeah. Look at this pencil pouch. And I'm always gonna think of Clover. This is adorable. Shut up. Is this a cookie? This is Clover, by the way. You might have seen him on their packaging, but this is literally a cookie and I'm about to eat it. This package has been sitting for a while. I hope I can still eat this. They made Clover his very own melted matte. It's the perfect purple, pink fuchsia. I love it. I love Clover. I love Too Faced. Thank you guys. This is cute. Okay, I'm really excited to show you guys this because they also reached out to me. It was really interesting. That's what the packaging looks like. It's so adorable. I get eczema around my hands because sometimes I don't moisturize enough and I have really like dry, sensitive skin. So this company is called Eczema Honey. It's a miracle healing, bacteria fighting, 100% organic cream. It's like a really moisturizing lotion. It has like 3 ingredients in it, so I love things like this that are like good for you. So thank you to Eczema Honey. Something like this is perfect if you are also like struggling with eczema, or even if you're not and you're looking into buying like a really moisturizing lotion. Honey, I feel like, is just like one of those magical products that were given to us by like the gods that we need to appreciate more. And they told me to keep it in my freezer, so I'll do that, I guess. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. I got 4 setting powders from Dermablend, and Dermablend, I've kind of heard of them before. It's basically like makeup, but it also incorporates like skincare into the makeup. It's recommended by dermatologists, like it's not supposed to be harsh for your skin. So yeah, they sent me 4. This is basically what they look like. I'll give 3 of them away. So all you have to do is comment and subscribe, and then yeah, I'll pick someone and then let you guys know the winner in the description box of the next video I upload. So that'll probably be next Saturday. This is from Colourpop, and I think I know what it is because I obviously follow Ava. Okay, well, you can't see anything. Ah! Yes! She came out with her It's All Wild makeup collection in collaboration with Colourpop. She's so perfect, and she's so sweet. She's literally the nicest person, but this is so cute! Okay, so, and the packaging, like, Ava, you did that. So this is a face duo. I think it's a blush and highlighter. She has a lip bundle. This one's this like really pretty champagne gold. And then her Vacation Made shadow palette. That's what her shadows look like. And then this one is her It's All Wild shadow palette. Wow, so pretty. This reminds me of the Urban Decay palette I showed you guys earlier, so I think I'll give this one away. So again, same rules, comment down below, and then I'm giving away the It's All Wild shadow palette. It's such cute packaging. What's this? Live Love Polish. Ooh, it's just really cute polishes. This one is hella sparkly. I really like that. Thank you, Live Love Polish. I feel like I always save the biggest for the last. And when I say big, I actually mean this box is gigantic. But I have 2 packages here, both from Urban Decay, and I'm excited for this. Whoever got me on the Urban Decay PR list, thanks. Whoa. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god, I've always wanted to try these. I remember YouTube like in 2013 when everyone was obsessed with these Urban Decay glide-on pencils, and it's all I ever wanted, and like now they're like sending it to me. That's cute. Hailey has grown. And then they also sent me their special effects mascara. So these are like crazy colored mascara. And then Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. Oh my god, this was also the shit like back in the day. Wow, that's cute. Thank you, Urban Decay, you guys. Actually, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a giveaway of these, but I'll do it on my Instagram. So after you watch this, go look at my Instagram. There's probably gonna be a post talking about my giveaway. Da, 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 da. Hello, beautiful. Okay, wait, what? It comes with cables. So is this like electronic? Oh.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? My face can...
This is insane. Like, this is taking it to a whole new level. Like, I don't know what to do with this much makeup. You think it was done? When I first started doing makeup videos and like YouTube, I would like go to the drugstore and be like, okay, I can get like 3 things. Like, I have to think about this really hard. Like, what can I spend my money on? And like now that like these companies are sending me like this much makeup, and the only reason that all of this is happening is because of you guys. Like, you guys chose to follow me, you guys chose to support me, and now these brands think I am capable of sharing their products with you, and insane. I don't know what to do with this. I just want to thank you guys for making this possible, because I didn't pay for a single thing in this video. I guess it kind of means that your hard work pays off. I worked my butt off. I still work my butt off to try to get a video out, and it wasn't always like this. Like, no brands would send me anything. This is like my 5th year doing YouTube. Being dedicated to something for over like 5 years, it gets you places, and it doesn't have to be just YouTube. It doesn't have to be just, I don't know, like being an Instagrammer. It just literally anything you do pays off. Wow, this video was not supposed to take this turn, but I'm not mad about it. I'm actually kind of grateful that it did end up being this way. So I just want to thank all these brands, first of all, but mostly you guys for sticking by me and making this possible for that 8-year-old who had this like really big dream of one day having this be her life. And now I kind of like, I guess it never ends. Now I look at New York Fashion Week and fashion conferences and working with like designers, and I'm like, wow, I wish I could be like that. And then if I put in another 5 years, 10 years, it doesn't matter how long, if I just put in even more work, that's where I'm gonna find myself in. You should always be striving to be a little bit above where you are already. That was a little inspirational message, I guess, to finish off this video. Thank you guys for sticking through if you watched all the way up to this point. And yeah, I love you guys so much, like so much. And I'm not just saying that because like that's my outro, I have to say that. Like, I genuinely care about you guys because you made this possible for me. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.